Tow rope, check. Life jacket, check. 3-year-old water bottle with a leash. I got an anchor that doesn't work, check. See you there, Mike. Fire behind you guys is nuts too.
There's good ways.
Oh, boy. How big was that? That was gnarly. Oh, look at that thing.
Like way over, triple overhead.
That's huge. How's the sash, Meepers? That left barrel was pretty nuts. Alright, go. Sorge auto. Oh my, make it barrel. Oh, make it. Oh, wait. Alright, go.
Sketchy on that thing?
I was just catching waves.
Dude, when were you ever certified on a ski?
Bro, you see me, I could have towed Zeke into the best wave of his life.
Dude.
I'm certified ski
I thought you
man.
were about to flip over.
Yeah, Midler was
you
kind of
almost
scared.
flipped.
No, I'm kind of certified out there.
Kind of certified on it.
You certified idiot.
Bro, let me get you on a wave, Zeke. Let me get you. How's that thing, Midler?
Oh, what the fuck, sir? Oh, dude, look at my shoe.
No.
That guy just got blown out of the right off of it.
Okay, I've been working like 3 jobs. Probably why I never see ya. Probably why I never have time for the fake friends that won't be ya. Oh God, I've been running now. Up early when the sun is out. Not setting out my own soul, but those real ones, they coming out. Don't work, so they need it free. Ooh, you reaching out from the west side of that old town, but there's no shows till I go down to the open mic. Show love to the real ones that know now. Some of y'all don't know now. In a couple months, you gon' find out. Been blowing up from the underground, and they stepping on a landmine now. And he knows it's my time now. Come coming up, I'm on a climb now. Everybody claim they been ballin', but it's looking like they took a time out. Okay, I'm working on a Wednesday, then up again the next day. So-and-so is poppin', man, I skip him like he leg day. Kick it like I'm Pele, I never care what they say. Put myself on Spotify, so every day my payday. That's right, I'm coming back like OJ, like a running back in his old days. Still rocking those OJs. My paychecks get a little bigger, but that don't change me or make me richer. Money come and the money go, but my God's here when he's staying with you. Blowing up off the internet. All these haters need to introspect, cause they been hating while the rest love him. And I start to go and die their intellect, cause I've been a threat since day one. No money or bank funds, since y'all been saying you can do it better, but none of y'all ever made one.
We're gonna be jumping off that bridge right there, launching into there. It's probably like a 20-foot drop. I'm vlogging, dude.
Dude, get the fuck off.
Let me vlog.
Can I help us get this thing out? Them a little, yeah,
You're
hey,
live.
Dude,
You're live.
What's up?
What's up? You're live.
Give them a view of you. Strong boys.
Bring the skate, ShaneO.
We got the floaty board rigged up. Oh, that thing's legit.
Yo, that is a big job.
Zeke's not making it.
Fuck. Dude, there's no way I'm making that, bro.
Let me see the board. I'm in my shoes.
There's no way I'm making that.
We're gonna try to launch this.
I was like, what the fuck are you guys doing?
You guys got it? You want to send it?
No, fucking sit down.
You got it.
Yeah.
Sorge will teach you.
Yeah, I'm sure he love that.
You. I should be a vlogger, guys. I'm fucking good. Oh, dude, get a tail whip for the boys. Zeke's gonna clip it, fly over, go into there.
Yeah, girls. Bro, the board fully floats. Yeah!
Oh!
Bro, you got the biggest window ever. Send it. Oh! That was sick, huh? Send it. Oh! Came off here for life. You already know. Damn, son. That was sick as fuck, CC.
Is that good?
That guy is not afraid to die.
That was gnarly,
How
huh?
does he do this?
What?
All the local boys here in middle job stepping